In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper in Samsung phone. Changing your wallpaper is a simple way to personalize your device and make it truly yours. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the home screen of your Samsung phone. If you're in an app or another screen, just press the home button to return. Being on the home screen is essential because that's where we'll start the process. Once you're on the home screen, press and hold on an empty space. You'll see the screen zoom out slightly and a menu will pop up at the bottom. This menu is your gateway to customizing your phone's appearance. It's important because it gives you quick access to various settings. From this menu, tap on Wallpaper or Wallpapers. This will take you to the Wallpaper selection screen. Here you have the power to choose how your phone looks. Personalizing your wallpaper can be a great way to express your style or mood. Now you have a choice to make. You can select images from your gallery, which are your personal photos, or you can choose from My Wallpapers, which are preloaded Samsung wallpapers. If you want your phone to reflect your memories, go with Gallery. If you prefer something pre-designed, My Wallpapers is your friend. Tap on your chosen image to open it. This step is crucial because it allows you to preview how the image will look on your phone. Making sure the image fits well is key to having a visually appealing screen. Once the image is open, decide where you want it to appear. You can choose the home screen, the lock screen, or both. This step is vital because it determines where your new wallpaper will be visible. Selecting the right option ensures your phone looks exactly how you want it. After making your choice, tap Set or Done. This action confirms your selection and applies the new wallpaper. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your changes have been saved. It's always satisfying to see your phone transform with your chosen image. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your wallpaper on your Samsung phone. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on how you feel about your device. Remember, you can always change it again whenever you want a fresh look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Enjoy your new wallpaper and have a great day.